Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download AI voice changer Voicemod for free. It can be used in Discord, Zoom, Google Meet, Minecraft and all of these other apps that you see right here. So first thing you need to do in order to download it is go over to voicemod.net, as you can see over here. Then scroll down and click on this button, Get Voicemod for free. As you can see, it is for free for macOS or Windows 10 or 11. So click on Get Voicemod free. Now this site will pop up which says Voicemod voice changer for macOS beta is here. So you can click on Get Voicemod beta free. Then you need to create your free Voicemod account. You can do it through Discord, Twitch, Google, or you can sign up with your email. So I'm going to sign up with my email. So write your email down here and then click on Continue with email. Then Voicemod will send magic code to your email. So open your email and write the code that they sent you here. When you are in your email, simply find email from Voicemod that says your Voicemod verification code. Click on that and you can easily copy this code, Command C, go back to your account verification and Command V. And as you can see, thanks for joining the Voicemod community. And now you have to choose which one you are using. So for example, if you are using Intel processors, choose this one. If you are using Mac Silicon, then choose this one. So in my instance, I'm using M1, so I will click on this one and then wait while it downloads, as you can see. So once it is downloaded, you just can click here or you can find it in your downloads folder right here. Double click it. And now you have to press allow. And as you can see, you will be guided through steps necessary to install this software. So click on continue. Now read general terms of use. Click on continue. Here you have to click on agree and then click install. macOS will prompt you to enter your password and click install software. Then allow installer to access files in your download folder. Click OK. And then installation was successful, so you can close it, click OK here, and then get started. As you can see, Voicemod has now appeared right here. And then choose what's the main reason you want to use Voicemod. So I will choose content creation, click on next. You have to connect your headphones for the best audio experience and click next. Now you have to configure your audio. So select your microphone that you are using. So in my instance, it's Scarlett. Then select your headphones that you are using. Then click next. They just created your new virtual microphone, so click on start using Voicemod. And you can close this one. And as you can see, you are in Voicemod now. So this is how you download Voicemod for free. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.